The next tool is the markup tool. The first option is the text highlighter. It is directly correlated to the colors down here. So right now pink is chosen. So anything that I select will be highlighted pink. And you can see LJ is there. That just means that I'm the person who did this highlight color. If I didn't want it to be pink, if I wanted it to be another color, I could do that. So if I wanted to black it out, there we go. The next is the box highlighter. So again, we can choose the color from down here. We can do more colors if we want to do maybe a green or something like that. I can choose green. Now I can select and make a box that highlights that information. The next tool is the strike through. So if we are using black again, I can strike through a word by selecting it and it gets crossed out. The underline tool will, of course, underline any words you choose. So I could just choose power up and it underlines that for us. So those are the markup tools.